Okay, so what do we have here? Yesterday we talked about, the day before yesterday we talked about simple basics of fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions, like and unlike fractions, proper and improper fractions, everything like that. Huh? Okay. Now, what
Yes.
next is multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions is very easy as compared to what we did with addition and subtraction. The only difficulty, or rather only challenge, comes when multiplying with numbers which are factors of each other, so that you have to cancel them out. That we will learn today. This is from the textbook. As you can see, what the textbook is talking about, simple mathematical problems. You, in the multiplication of fractions, what you have to do is simply multiply the numerator with numerator and the denominator with denominator. Okay,
Denominator.
that's what you have to do, right? And especially when it comes to
Yes.
mixed fractions, when it comes to mixed fractions, you have to you have to multiply only after you have converted those mixed fraction into improper fractions. So for example, it is shown here 7.5. So how do we convert it into an improper fraction? We multiply 7 by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2, so that becomes 15 by 2, right? You can remember this also, right? 2 by 7, this is multiplication, right? And this here becomes addition. Okay,
Okay.
right. So here it is also shown for the next one. What will be the improper fractions for 3.5?
3.5. 3 bracket 3 multiplied by 2
Yes,
plus bracket complete plus 1 upon 2.
plus 1. So basically it will come back to 7 plus 2, 7 by 2. Okay,
Yes.
right. So let's see, let me give you some problems. You can note them down, right, in your notebook, and try to solve this. 4 whole 1/3, convert it into improper fraction.
I convert into simple fraction.
Yes, into improper fractions. These are mixed fractions where there is a whole number and a part of fractions. So you have to multiply them.
In
You can do it by
improper
mental
or
math
improper.
into improper. You have to convert them into improper fraction.
Okay.
Right? When you're done, let me know. Till then I can pause the recording. Yes, tell me. First one.
13 upon 3.
Very good. 13 by 3. Then next one.
16 upon 5.
Very nice. Next.
15 upon 7.
Mm-hmm. All correct so far. Good. Next.
16 upon 3.
16 of 1. All correct. No problems. Very good. Good job. Okay. So going on to the next part, multiplication of a fraction by whole number. That part is actually very easy. When you multiply a fraction by a whole number, all you have to do is remember that a whole number is just another fraction. Very easily you can remember that. This is a whole number. Yes, Vedanta, are you paying attention?
Yes.
Yes. So this is a whole number. I can write this 5, a whole number, as a fraction also. Any number divided by another number is a fraction, isn't it? But if I divide the same number with 1, what will be the answer? 5 divided by 1, what will be the answer? Anything divided by 1 is the same number. So 5 divided by 1 is 5. So any whole number it can be written as 5 upon 1 or any number divided by 1, right? And then you have to multiply it with the fraction. So say for example, if you are multiplying 5 with 5 with 1 upon 4 or 1 quarter, right? All you have to do is you can write it like this: 5 divided by 1 into 1 by 4. Then the same rule applies: numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So 5 ones are 5 and 4 ones are 4. You get the answer. But this is not the final answer. This is an improper fraction. Whenever we get an improper fraction, we have to convert it into mixed fraction. Yeah?
Yes.
What will be the mixed fraction for this one? Can you do it with mental math?
I convert into mixed fraction.
Yes, do it. Without picking up the pen or pencil.
Okay.
Do the mental math. Yes. Come on, think fast. You have to divide 5 by
5
4.
1 upon 4.
Sorry?
5 1 upon 4.
No, then it will be completely incorrect. 5 1/4. This is what you are saying, right? 5 whole and a 1/4. What will be the improper fraction for this one? 5 fours are
20.
20. 20 plus 1.
21.
So this will be 21 by 4, which is not correct, right? What you have to do is divide 5 by 4. So you have to think of table of 4. Where does 5 come in table of 4? Does it come? No. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8.
No.
Right? So you have to divide it with ones. So 1 is your whole number and what is left is 1/4. Okay. How did we get it here? Simple. 5 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. Whatever is your remainder, that becomes your numerator. Your divisor is still your denominator, and this becomes the whole number, your quotient. Yeah. Okay. Right. Here in the textbook, they are showing it with the help of pictures, which is a good way of doing it. No questions about it. Right. What you have to do is you have to multiply this. Right. Multiply it. Now, can you tell me what is the fraction which is shaded? The part shaded. How do we represent that in fraction?
1 upon 4.
Yes, very good. 1 upon 4
upon
and multiply it with 1 upon 4. Okay. You have to multiply 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. So what you have to do is basically it becomes addition. We know multiplication is repeated addition, right? So you add them. They are both having 4 equal parts. So the denominator does not change, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So the denominator stays the same and you have to add 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1, what is it going to be the shaded part now?
1 plus 1. 2 multiplied by 1 upon
No, what I'm asking is, what is the shaded part if I mix these two?
2. No, sorry.
Yes, 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 yes.
8. 2 upon 8.
See, that's where you made the mistake. We do not add the denominators. Hai yesterday, the day before yesterday, when we saw some problems, we do not add the denominators. The denominator remains the same. The parts of the fraction are the same. Okay. Yes. So out of the 4 parts, now 2 parts are shaded. Okay, so it becomes 2 into 1 upon
2
4.
upon 4.
Yes, 2 upon 4 it becomes. Okay, right? Now, if you see this circle, look at this one, figure 2.2.
Yes.
Figure 2.2. This is the addition of these two. These one upon 4. These two of 1 by 4, right? Added together becomes 2 by 4. But if I ask you as a fresh question, what is the shaded part in this circle? What will you tell me?
Sorry.
What is the shaded part in this figure?
2 upon 4.
2 upon 4. Or in other words, can you think of any other words? What does it look like? Look at this circle. Look at this
2 half
circle.
4.
Yes, 2 by 4. Yes, that is correct.
2 half 4.
2 half 4. No, we don't say it that way. We can say 2 upon 4 or 2 fourth. We can say it that way, but we don't say 2 half 4. Okay, right? Now, look at this circle here, right? This is the circle. It is complete circle, one full circle. And how much part is shaded? 2 quarters, right? So what it becomes, if you look at this way, forget about this vertical line. If you forget this vertical line, then what is the part shaded?
1 upon 2.
Yes, 1 upon 2. It is half, right? It is half. Okay, 1 upon 2. It is, we can say 1 by 2, 1 upon 2, or half, right? We can say that, right? So you have to think of fractions in this fashion actually, right? You have to think about fractions in this way, right? Now look at this one. Look at this one. Can you now tell what this picture will represent? How many parts are shaded in one square? Out of the whole square,
1,
1 upon,
3. No, 4.
yes, 1/4. Okay. How many such squares are there?
3.
Yes. So if I want to write it in mathematical way, how will I write it? This is 1 by 4, 1/4, right? Plus another 1/4 plus 1/4, isn't it?
Yes.
Added together, all these three added together, what will it become? From this figure, you can say
3 upon 4.
3 upon 4, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Now what about this one?
2 upon 9.
2 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 2 upon 9. What about this one?
6 upon 9.
6 upon 9. Very good. That is correct. Okay. Now comes the important part. When it comes to fractions multiplied with the whole number, look at this one. 3 times half. 3 times half, that is half added 3 times 3 by 2. Right? You get it. We can also write it like this. Multiplication is repetitive addition. Right? Repeated addition. Hold on a second. This notification is creating unnecessary distraction. We are going to mute all notifications. Right. Okay. Right. So simply addition, right? Multiplication. What do we do for whole numbers? What do we do? Yeah. Okay. What do we do? A whole number can be written as fraction, which is divided by 1, and you have to multiply it with the given fraction 1 by 2. What you do? You multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 3 by 1, 1 by 2. What is 3 into 1?
3.
3. So this does not change anything, right? But what will be the final answer? 3 by 2. Convert it into mixed fraction. Do it. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That we cannot use. So 2 ones are 2. 1 whole and 1 upon 2. We can say when we want to say the mixed fraction, you always have to say the whole number and the fraction separately. So 1 whole and a half. Okay, 1 and a half, we can say 1 whole and a half. 1 and a half, we can say. All these are correct pronunciations. Okay, right?
Okay.
So you try this one. 2 into 5 divided by 2/3 into 5. Try this one. Half the work is already done for you. 5 is multiplied by 2.
10 upon 3.
10 upon 3. Now
10 upon 3.
convert that into improper fraction. You can do the division or you can do mental math. No issue. Do it. While you are thinking, you can say it out loud.
10 and 1/3.
Almost there, but small mistake. If you put it like what you said, 10 into 1/3, then it becomes a different fraction. 10, 3 tens is 30, 30 plus 1. It becomes 31 by 3. What did I tell you? You have to divide 10 by 3. So, how will you divide 10 by 3? Take the table of 3.
3 3s are 9.
Yeah. Right? You have got 0, 1. So, what will be the answer? This becomes your quotient becomes your number. Your remainder becomes your numerator. And your divisor becomes your denominator. Yeah? Now try this one.
Yeah.
3 into 2 by 7. 3 to 7th. Come on.
One. 23 upon 7.
No, this is different one. This is multiplication. This is not a mixed fraction. Then, when it is written like this, we don't consider that as a mixed fraction. When we are writing mixed fraction, we will write it like this without any sign or multiplication or a dot between them. This is a different one. This is multiplication product that we have to find. So we will consider 3 divided by 1 into 2 by 7. When we want to multiply, what do we do? Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay. So what will be the answer? 3 twos are
6
6 divided by
upon
7.
7.
Yeah, 6, 7. Now, is this a proper fraction or an improper fraction?
Proper fraction.
So no need to change it, right? This is your final answer. You can just put it like this, answer. That's it. Now try this one. 4 into 3/5. 4 multiplied by 3/5. So what do we do?
12 upon 5.
Very good. Now you get the hang of it. Very good. 12 by 5. Okay. Now 12 by 5. Is that a proper or improper fraction?
Improper.
So what do we do?
Convert into proper.
Go ahead, do
And
it.
mix.
Yes, go ahead, do it. Mixed fraction. Yes. Come on, you can do it with mental math. Say the table of 5 out loud.
5 into 5, 5 to the 10.
Yes, then
5 to the 10.
5 2s are 10. Okay. Now what is left? 12 minus 10. What is left?
2.
2. So you write another 2 as the numerator. And what will be the denominator?
Denominator is
Yeah.
5.
Yes, 5. The denominator never changes. Right? Okay. When we are converting, the denominator does not change. Okay. Got it now?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right then. Now, what do we do? For improper fractions, how do we do it? For improper fractions, also we have done it before, right? So when you have multiplication of a fraction and an improper fraction, right? Say for example, oh, this ones are easy. They have converted this improper fractions into proper fractions, but they haven't given a multiply number. Okay, it's going to be the same. All right, let's try this one. Find 2/7 into 3. This already we have done. This is the same. 2 3s are 6, 6 by 7. Multiplications have as right the sequence. If the sequence changes, it won't make any difference. Yeah. Okay. Now let's talk about this one. 9 by 7 multiplied by 6. Try these. Try this one. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator.
Fifty-four upon 7.
Yes, very good. 54 upon 7. That is correct. 9 6 are 54. And but again, this is what is this?
Improper.
So convert that into mixed fraction. Do it.
With mental math or division.
Up to you. If you enjoy doing mental math, you should go for it. If you start going for mental math, right? Sometimes it will be bit frustrating. You'll get tired of it. You'll get bored of it. That I'm not getting the correct answers. I don't want to try it. It will happen. But if you keep on doing it, you'll be very good with mathematics. The key to success is to fail again and again and learn from it. That is more important.
7 6 are 54.
7 6 are what?
No, sorry.
Say out the table loudly, no problems. It's just the two of us.
7 on the 7, 7 to the 14, 7 3 are 21, 7 to the 20, 7 5 are 35, 7 6 are 42.
Then go on, keep on going. What is 7 sevens?
7 6 are 52, 49, 7 8 are 56.
Yes, so we cannot use 7 8s, right? 7 sevens are 49. Now 54 minus 49, what will be the answer?
54 minus 14. 5.
5, correct. Yeah. So 7 whole and 5/7. That will be your answer. Okay. Now this is very easy. So you can do this as your homework. 3 into 1/8. This is your homework. Okay. Try this one.
13.
13.
D.
13 by 11 into 6.
13, 13, 39, 13, 52, 13, 5, 13, 7, 8.
Yes,
78 upon 11.
11. So convert that into mixed fraction.
Fraction. 11 7 is 77.
Yeah, okay. So what will be your numerator now?
1.
1. Correct
3.
answer.
Sorry,
Yes.
11.
No, the denominator will be 11, right? Your denominator will be 11. Your numerator will be only 1. 77 subtracted from 78. You get answer 1. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And this one, represent pictorially. You have to draw picture and do it. 2 times 2 by 5. What will you do in this case? You have to draw it.
In circle or square?
It's up to you. You decide whichever you like. And then you can send me the picture once it is done as homework. This will go as homework. Okay. Moving on to the next part. Okay. Yes, this is important. To multiply a mixed fraction to a whole number. Multiply mixed fraction to a whole number. That is also important. Okay. Let's see this one. Right. What you have to do, this is a mixed fraction. Right. So first you have to convert it into an improper fraction. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 2. This is multiplication. This is here addition. So 5 fours are 20 plus 2, 22 upon 5. Now you have to do the multiplication. 2 into 22. What will be the answer?
44 upon 5.
44 upon 5. Now convert it into
5 is the 40.
yes, 5 eights are 40. Denominator is 5. What is left? What is the numerator now?
4.
4. Correct answer. Very good. Okay. So these another two, try these as homework, okay? And now comes the important part, the terminology, new word, something which is very widely used in mathematics, okay? When we say fractions as an operator of, right, as an operator, when we say 1/3 of, 1/2 of 1, okay? See this picture? This is whole square and divided into 2. So half of 1. When you say half of 1, what you mean is half multiplied by 1. Okay. When I say half of 2, what does it mean? You have to multiply by half into 2. What will be the answer?
2 upon 2.
2 upon 2. What is the answer here? 2 by 2. 2 divided by 2. What will be the answer?
2 1. The answer is 1.
Answer is 1. Yes. Okay. See, half of 2. Both are shaded, so it becomes 1. Okay, right? So uh, when I say 1/2 of, let's say 12, what will be the answer?
1
1/2 of
of
12.
12.
So what do you do? 1 by 2 multiplied by 12 by 1, which is 12 by 2, which is
To mixed fraction converting.
no, this is simple division, no? 12 divided by 2.
24.
Sorry, come again?
24.
No, I'm talking about division. This is you are talking about multiplication. This is 12 divided by 2.
12.
Divided by 2. 6. Yes, 2 6 are 12. Simple. Right? If you want to convert this into mixed fraction, right, what will you do? It's 12 divided by 2. So you know 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So your numerator is 0. We don't write 0 as a numerator. We don't write that. Okay. Ideally, it would be 6 0 by 2. This is the final answer, but we never write 0 as numerator. So there is no need to write this at all. Okay. This is the final answer 6. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So half of 12 or 1/3 of 15. What does it mean? 1/3 of 15.
1/3 of 15. 1/3 multiplied by 15.
Yes, what will be the answer?
15/3.
Yes, what will be the final answer? 15/3.
5 3s
Yes, yeah, you were right. Right? So, what are you doing here
5.
exactly? 15/3, what exactly are you doing? You're talking about a table, and the table, you are using the table to do exactly what? You are using it to divide it, isn't it? So fraction is basically division. Yeah.
Yes.
All right then. That's it for the day. We shall continue this tomorrow. Okay. I'll send you some more exercise.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.